Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send crypto from ByBit to MetaMask. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So all you need to do is make sure that you have the ByBit app over on your phone and the MetaMask app, and then you're all good to go. And by the way, this will work on iPhone and Android, it's literally all the same. So to send money from ByBit, or crypto basically from ByBit to MetaMask, all you need to do is first of all open the MetaMask app. And now you need to copy your address because we are going to send some Ethereum to our address obviously. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy your address, which you can literally find right here. It's this random string of letters and numbers. So you simply click on it and it's now copied. And what you then want to do is you want to basically switch over to ByBit. Once you have done that, and you're maybe on the home page or something, all you need to do is go to the assets page at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you have done that, all you need to do is make sure you have some money in your wallet. And then you can simply click on withdraw right here. Once you've done that, you can literally choose whatever type of crypto you want to send over to your MetaMask wallet. Do note that it will need to be supported by that chain. But yeah, for example, if you just send Ethereum, just like this, you can literally just click on it right here. Then in order to send money from ByBit to MetaMask, you need to simply put in that wallet we previously copied, just like this. You can simply copy it and click on allow paste, and now you have copied that wallet. You can also double check it because if you send it to the wrong wallet, you will not receive your money. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure that your network is set to ERC20. Because if you have just used a normal MetaMask and you haven't set up any side chains over on your MetaMask, then you will literally just need to send your crypto from your ByBit to your MetaMask using your wallet, and you need to use the ERC20 network. All you need to do then is simply type in the amount you want to send, for example 1 Ethereum, and then you can also change whatever account is going to be withdrawn from, but that's not really important. Once you have decided how many Ethereum you're going to send, all you need to click on withdraw, and you need to most likely just fill in your password in order to verify that it's actually you trying to withdraw your crypto. Once you have done that, you will just need to wait approximately 3 to 5 minutes. And then you should see your money in your wallet, just as you guys can see right here, and your money will be there. So that's basically how you can send crypto from ByBit to MetaMask. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.